Place the food tray in the drinks. Select related tray and the destination to be delivered to. Then the delivery task will be initiated. Once reached the destination, it will automatically adjust the tray orientation. The orientation of the robot's tray needs to be set in the map. The basic settings of meal delivery can be performed in Settings, the icon on top right function, where you can choose optimal route distribution or task order distribution for meal delivery order. The recommended delivery speed is 0.6 meters per second, and the arrival waiting time can be set in the system. The arrival waiting time refers to the time of the robot need to wait at the destination when no one is on site to collect the meal. It will move on to next task once the waiting time is exceeded. The delivery will be standard mode by default in the main interface. If need to deliver liquids, please choose smooth mode. The robot will travel at a lower speed. The specific speed can be adjusted in the system settings. Recommend to choose 0.3 meters per second. Click the button above the tray to switch the delivery mode. If you need to change the catchphrase, go to function page to find the arrival voice, which supports text-to-speech or uploads voice file. After voice text deleted, it supports to add by customized. Choose the voice file need to add and click Confirm. The audio files shall be imported in advance in either at library or resource library. Click the button below to delete or change voice file. One tray can be delivered to 2 locations maximum. Supports customized background music. Object detection feature can be enabled in Settings, Basic, which allows to start next task once it detects that the meal has been taken away. The number of trays can be increased or decreased. A maximum of 4 trays can be set, but required to set with at least 1. Once set, it will be synchronized in the main interface. To ensure to run the operation of the delivery task normally, it needs to dismantle or install the tray with 3mm hex screwdriver once the trays have been adjusted. Click the table number and the corresponding tray, then click Go to start the delivery. If need to deliver multiple meals one time, you may click on other tray icon to switch to tray number 2, number 3, number 4. Multiple trays support to choose same destination. Click the icon of charging pile, serving point, or recycling point. Then click Go. The robot will automatically go to corresponding location. During the task, double tap the screen and with entering the password, you may click to cancel the task. In case of an emergency, you may press the emergency stop button to stop the robot. The robot can be freely pushed when in emergency stop state. To cancel emergency stop mode and resume to work, you may turn the emergency stop button clockwise.